Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your dull and foggy headlights. You must have noticed that the headlights become yellowish and dull after a period of time. This happens because of oxidation due to environmental factors and pollution. Toothpaste is one of the easiest and readily available materials to get rid of it. Why? Well, it acts as a mild abrasive which helps in filling in the scratches and also removes a lot of the dust and pollutants on the headlight. Spread it out over the entire surface of the headlight and then buff it with a nice clean cloth. You may need to do this for a couple of minutes until you're finally able to see the results. Finally, pour some water and clear it out. Finally, our headlight is returning to a much more clean and clear state. Now pour some water over it and you will notice that the headlight looks much better compared to what it was before. It looks much more clearer. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. This is Swappy Bond saying goodbye to all of you. Until the next time, bye bye.